हेलो स्टूडेंट, क्लास 11 फिजिक्स, एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स, सदिशों का योग। रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर, द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ टू आर मोर देन टू वेक्टर्स इज अ सिंगल वेक्टर which produce the same effect as is produced by individual vectors together. Now the vector addition is under the following points. इस पॉइंट्स को फॉलो करते हैं। नाउ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी ऑब्टेन ऑन एडिंग वेक्टर इज आल्सो वेक्टर। जो रिजल्ट हमें मिलता है वो भी एक वेक्टर होता है। द वेक्टर्स रिप्रेजेंटिंग द सेम फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज ओनली कैन बी एडेड। यदि हम उसको सिर्फ ऐड करते हैं तो हमें सेम फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज हमें मिलता है। देन अ वेक्टर with the same magnitude can be shifted parallel to other places. A vector with the same magnitude can be shifted parallel to other place. In case, first case, when two vectors are acting in the same directions. यदि हमारे पास टू वेक्टर्स है वो सेम डायरेक्शंस पे ही वर्क कर रहा है, एक्शन कर रही है, तो vector of A and vector of B is the same directions. Then the addition of the both vector, then we can write vector A plus vector P. Then in this condition clearly resultant vector R that is equal to vector of A plus vector of B. R magnitude of vector R, is given by mod of vector R that is equal to mod of vector A plus mod of vector B. Now second condition, when two vectors are acting in the opposite directions. When two vectors are acting in the opposite directions, now let vector A and vector B be two vectors acting in opposite directions, vector B, then vector A and vector B opposite directions. In this condition the resultant vector R we can write it is a vector of A and minus vector of B, vector of A O to P is a vector of A and P to Q is a vector of B. The resultant vector is OQ. Or we can write in the opposite directions adding the two vectors OQ that is equal to OP minus PQ. OP minus PQ. Or also we can write resultant vector R that is equal to A minus B. Vector of A minus vector of B. Or magnitude of vector of R is magnitude of R vector is given by mod of R vector that is equal to mod of vector of A plus mod of vector of B in opposite directions. In third case, the two or more vectors are inclined at certain angle 2 or more than 2 or more vectors are inclined at certain एंगल, यदि एंगल्स पे वो, यदि हमारे वेक्टर्स वो एंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं एनी पॉइंट पे, देन द इन दिस सिचुएशन द वेक्टर्स आर जनरली एडेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लॉस। इन दिस लॉ को फॉलो करते हुए इसका एडिशन निकाला जाएगा। फर्स्ट, लॉ ऑफ ट्रायंगल ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, लॉ ऑफ ट्रायंगल of vector addition. Second, law of parallelogram, law of parallelogram. Parallelogram of vector addition. And third, law of polygon, law of polygon, polygon of vector addition. यदि two or more vectors are inclined at certain angle in this, then addition of vector we can follow the law, following law of triangle of vector addition, law of parallelogram of vector addition, and law of polygon of vector addition. Now law of triangle of vector addition. If two vectors are represented both in magnitude and directions by the two adjacent sides of a triangle in one others, then their resultant is represented both in magnitude and directions by the third side of the triangle taken in the opposite directions. That means we have two vectors, vector of A and vector of B. Vector of A and vector of B is a direction is same, and we now assume a triangle, vector of A and vector of B, it is a triangle of PQR. Then the directions of A and directions of B is the same, and directions of P to R is the opposite directions of PQ and QR. Then the resultant of the vector PR, that means vector of R, that is equal to add A and B, A and B के equal होगा. Now repeating again, if two vectors are represented both in magnitude and directions by the two adjacent sides, directions is and magnitude is same, sides of a triangle one order पे हमारे पास यहाँ पे represented है, then their resultant is represented both in magnitude and directions by the third side of the triangle taken in opposite directions. इन दोनों का एडिशन जो सेम डायरेक्शंस पे उसका एड अपोजिट डायरेक्शंस के इक्वल होता है. नाउ इन दिस कंडीशन ग्राफिकली the same directions are magnitude PQ plus QR, that is equal to vector of PR. PQ that means vector of A and QR that is means vector of B equal to PR that means vector of R. We can write vector of R that is equal to vector of A plus vector of B. This is so the law of triangle of vector addition. This is so the triangle law of triangle of vector addition.